What up, what up, what up, world? Y'all already know what to do, man. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. It's going down, y'all. Appreciate y'all rocking out with me. Today is April the 30th, last day of the month. I appreciate y'all sticking it out with me. I'm very excited. Someone left a comment in my section on my YouTube channel and was asking about our new device. So guess what? Thought it was only right that I bring you the official unboxing and review. Y'all ready? Of the new Moto G7 Power. I can literally feel the power. Say it with me, y'all. The new, you see right here, Moto G7 Power. Now, you know they came out with the Motorola E5 Play. Did a review on that. They also released the Moto E5 Plus. Did a review on that. So they stepping their game up now, and Motorola sent me this beautiful package with a couple items. We're going to open it up. We're going to get into the phone. It's going down real major. This is the newest device brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile, aka Metro Miguel. We get it in, man. So appreciate y'all rocking with me. Let's get this phone unboxed. Let's do this, man. It's going down. Let's ride. So, like I say, I'm really excited about this phone, man. It's got some really cool features, y'all. Here's the box here. Ta-da. See the box here? Okay. Just a little overview of a few of the specifications on the device. It is 4G LTE enabled. It's gonna have a 6.2 HD display, 8 megapixel front camera, 12 megapixel rear facing camera. So really good stuff. 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor and 5,000 milliamps per hour. That's a very long lasting battery. Let's get this thing opened up, y'all. I'm very excited about it. New phone, we just got it in, man. I know this phone is gonna be flying off the shelves. The Moto G7 Power. Now, like I said, y'all, this phone is legit. Here we go, we got it opened up. First thing we notice here is the phone. We're gonna take that out the box here. Let's take this out. Nice clean finish here. Let's clean it up a little bit here just to make sure we got a nice clean polish on it. I want y'all to really enjoy this like how I do. I love the design on the back of the device, man. It's like a shiny dark blue finish. This is really pretty. Motorola definitely stepped their game up. Check this out, guys. Can y'all see that? It's like a nice, shiny, like metallic, dark royal, like a midnight blue. Really good stuff. And of course, we got the front of the screen here. Let's see here. We got the power button on the side and the volume up and down keys. Looks like we have a 12 megapixel camera on the back with a flash here. We're also gonna have our fingerprint sensors. On the front here, we're going to have our camera on the front here, which is 8 megapixels, and it's also gonna have a flash. Let's set this phone down here. See what else we got in the box here. Just standard sleeve. This is probably gonna contain my SIM card, and this is gonna have my key fob so I can extract the SIM tray. Also inside, we're gonna have our wall adapter, and guess what, guys? This is a USB Type-C charger. Yes, yes, yes. USB Type-C. Very, 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 very fast, guys. Look, check this out, y'all. I want to tell y'all something about the battery. The battery is insane, y'all. Okay, you can get up to 3 days on a single charge. With the in-box turbocharger, you get up to 9 hours of power in just 15 minutes of charging. Let me re-say that back. Bring it back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bring it back. Charge this phone, the new Moto G7 Power, for 15 minutes, and you'll get 9 hours of power from the device. That's really cool. Obviously, this has a very good battery life inside the device, guys. Once again, like I said, we're just gonna go through a few of the specifications. Let's also turn it on. Let's see what's inside here. Once we turn the device on, you can see it's a nice, vibrant 6.2-inch screen from top to bottom. The previous phone, the Moto E5 Plus, was 6 inches, and the E5 Play, I believe, is 5.5 inches. So this is going to be Motorola's largest screen to date. Really good stuff, guys. Like I said, so the operating system is going to be Android 9.0 Pie. So, you know, the previous one was Oreo. So we stepped it up again. We're 9.0 now. We're going Pie. So really fast, much better operating system on this boy. It's just doing a system update right now. It does have nano coating. So it is going to be water resistant on the front of the screen. Really cool stuff. It is expandable up to 512 gigabytes. Really cool stuff. So let's turn it on here. Let's see the screen. Wow, nice pretty screen here. Can you guys see that? I love this. Let's just run through some of the features really quick. Really cool stuff, man. It's got a feature called Twist and Shoot. It says you can take a picture without unlocking your phone. So let's lock it. All right, we're gonna lock the phone. It says simply twist your wrist twice to launch the camera, like twisting a doorknob twice. Let's see here. Click, click. We're gonna turn the doorknob. Let's see what we got. Let's try it again. There we go. And it launches the camera. So when you twist it twice, boom, boom, it actually launches the camera or it closes it. Or it'll even put it in selfie mode by just twisting it. It's called Twist and Shoot. Twist like a doorknob and shoot. Really cool feature. They also have quick launch flashlight. I thought this is kind of cool. It says chop down twice to turn on the flashlight. Repeat it to turn it off. Let's just try it. Nice. So we chop it down twice. It turns on the flash. Can you guys see that? Chop down again and it turns off the flash. Really cool. Quick launch flashlight. Last but not least, one of the cool features that I really like about this device is the 3-finger screenshot. It says just tap the screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3 fingers. We're gonna tap the screen and we got a screenshot. Can you guys see that? Really cool, really fast. Love this design, man. This phone's got a lot of cool features. Like I say, twist and shoot, quick launch flashlight. Let's talk about the camera a little bit. Camera's really good. It is a fast focusing low light camera. 12 megapixels in the rear, 8 megapixel selfie camera. Let's get back to the home screen. So it has spot color. You can make your photos pop, and you can also pick a color in the photo and turn everything else black and white. That is really cool. It's called spot color. It also has portrait mode like most high-end devices have. You can add a blur effect to the background for professional looking shots. So this is an ideal phone for someone that's doing a lot of videos, a lot of streaming on social media, and you want to upload some nice photos and share them with your friends and family. The Moto G7 Power is idealistic, and you can come pick it up today. Now I'm going to get to the price. Give me just a second. I know y'all wondering what's the price. It also has high resolution zoom. It automatically restores details and clarity when zooming in 2 times more or higher. Really cool stuff, guys. So make sure y'all stop by today. Metro by T-Mobile. Come see Metro Miguel. And I'm going to put you in the game, coach. Now, the price. Manufacturer sale retail price is going to be $209. Facts. That's okay. That's not that bad. But guess what, guys? We have some really cool promotions. If you come in for a standard upgrade, you're actually going to get instant savings, and you'll only pay $159 for this bad boy right here. And it is nice. If you switch over to Metro by T-Mobile today from a different carrier, you'll also receive an even larger discount where you only pay $59 for it. Really cool stuff, guys. If you stop by and you just say, you know what, I'm not switching, I just want to get a new line, a new activation, $109 is going down, y'all. The Moto G7 Power. Make sure y'all leave your comments below. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Metro by T-Mobile. It's your boy Metro Miguel. Thank y'all for watching.